Well, it's been a while, but I'm back with something new. So, well, this basically is my new motorcycle. I know it's a bit of an upgrade. I bought it already a few years ago from Sweden, imported it back to Austria. It is Austrian made. It's made by Puch, the same as my moped. It's a 250cc. It is a very interesting engine. It's a Twingle engine, so there's two pistons inside one cylinder. After I bought it, I spent a few months getting it back to working condition. Overhauled almost everything, like front forks, complete overhaul. Everything that was worn got switched out. And after that, I did a small trip to Austria for a few days, trying to see how it performs. And well, after 300-ish kilometers, 300-400 kilometers, the ignition shed itself basically. And I couldn't continue, so it sat back home for a while I got the engine completely overhauled, and I fixed some other things. Got it a new ignition, obviously, a modern ignition, 12 volts. That is and after that, I decided, okay, the manual states that a new engine should be broken in for about 2000 kilometers. And well, I decided, okay, why not go on a small trip? Maybe to Barcelona or something in the summer for about 2 weeks or so. And yeah, that's what I did. So I just put some stuff on the back from my motorcycle and started a trip. And yeah, I guess enjoyed it. Okay, let's talk a bit about what's happening here. On the first day, I noticed a small leak from my fuel petcock. Over the days, it got worse. So on the third day after camping, there was considerable fuel smell in the morning. So I went around and looked for a garage or someone else who could help me fix the tank. And after a bit of searching, I found some people in Switzerland who were willing and able to help me. So I took off the tank, cleaned it, prepared it for soldering. Then a guy came, picked it up. While that was happening, I had a look around the small town and I had some lunch. And after that, my tank was really nicely soldered and I could continue. Those guys were really helpful. I didn't have to pay them anything and I'm really grateful for them. I would have loved to pay them, but they didn't want anything, so that was great. However, as it took me basically one day to fix it, when I reached my hotel in the evening, I just knew I wouldn't be able to go to Barcelona on time. So I decided to shorten the trip a bit and just go to France, to Lyon, and after that return back home. So yeah, let's continue through France.